Hey there, this is David from Website Planet. In this video, we are going to be diving into how to add custom content to your vibe-coded website. If you want the complete step-by-step guide that covers everything for vibe coding a website, check out that full resource in the link down below. Let's get started. Alright, so here we are inside of Replit, and we have given our initial prompt, and this is what the AI agent has built. Let me open this up into a full screen preview. Now, what I'm seeing here already looks really good. It's laid out really well. The one thing worth mentioning though is that the content here is not content that we provided. This is just dummy content. So I have gone through and written out everything I want for the home, about, services, and contact page in a document like this. And what I'll do is just copy all of this and then go back to the Replit agent and let it know that I want to replace all the content on the site with the content that I am gonna provide. So what I will say here is, great, please replace all the content you have with the content provided. And then I'll paste that in. You'll see it'll show up as an attachment here. You can click here to see the attachment just to make sure everything pasted the way you liked. From there, I'll go back and hit this blue button to get started. As you can see, the agent is going through a list of tasks that it has right here, where it will update the content for the homepage, then go to the about, services, and then contact, which is awesome. Now, with just about 10 minutes of work and 309 lines of code updated, and for a grand total of $3.15, we were able to update all the content across our website. You can see here on the task list, all pages have had their content updated. Let's take a look. So these three testimonials here are testimonials that we provided. The text here we provided. We also updated the text here. We do need to make one update for the actual year here, but that will be easy to do as we refine the site later on. On all the pages, as I take a look, everything has been updated. This is all the content that we provided, which looks great. Now, if you do need to make small changes to any of the content after you've done this step, what I would recommend is you could either type in a response here, or you could click on build, then go to edit, and then select the specific element you want to edit, which I'll click here. And what's cool is you could actually make the update live right here on the page, or you can do it on the left-hand side here where it says text and then content. In this field here, you could update the content to your liking. In this case, I actually want to make this a little bit smaller as well, which I'll do here to size 13. And then I'll hit save changes. Now, this video is just scratching the surface. Our complete vibe coding guide walks you through everything from your very first prompt all the way to deploying a fully professional site. We cover all the essentials like prompting strategies, troubleshooting tips, advanced customizations, and domain setup. You can access the full guide by using that first link down in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.